na nakikita na ng taong bayan yung pagiging bias niya, hindi pa man tapos yung pagdinig dun sa Senado, dun sa wala pa
As far as I could make out, they were trying to force and intimidate me as a senator judge to render a vote of conviction in this impeachment trial, and just to inflict the hatred of psychologically disturbed people on innocent young children in the very bosom of their own homes.
People, I think now remember me most vividly during the impeachment trial. I was at